got my little baby Armani in here. Designer.
What up, though, people?
What's up? He slays, okay? I'm telling you, that makeup artist really did my face. Like,
yeah, you know, I only go with the best of the best. I don't, you know.
get into this look, Armani slave.
Bringing you high glam couture. This behind the scenes, this dressing room. Look at them ocean waves. Bet your stylist can't do that, huh? I know they can. Them waves gonna make a nigga sick. Yeah. We'll be back after these messages. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.
It's a wrap. I took all of that off my hair, child, and I still look cute, you know. Okay, but thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for watching my videos, period. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.